For 2,563 beeps, a rescue cat has screamed at one sound, not the doorbell, not the smoke alarm, the kitchen timer, but only when it beeps exactly 4 times. 3 beeps, she stays calm. 5 beeps, nothing. 4 beeps, she runs to the kitchen and screams at the stove until someone picks her up. Her new family thought it was the sound frequency. They bought a different timer. 4 beeps, same reaction. They thought it was the stove. They moved the timer to the living room. 4 beeps from any room. She found it and screamed. A veterinarian said possible hearing trauma, but she ignored all other beeping. Microwave, phone, watch alarms, just 4 timer beeps. Her surrender form said, found in apartment after owner hospitalized. The landlord mentioned something strange. Every day at noon, he heard a timer beep 4 times, then the smell of warm food. The owner was diabetic, losing her vision. She set a timer to remind herself to eat lunch. 4 beeps meant food is warm, you are safe, someone remembered you. The cat was not screaming at the timer. She was screaming because after 2,563 beeps, no one came to eat. No one was safe. She thought someone was dying again. The most loyal hearts break over the smallest sounds. A beep that once meant love now means abandonment. And some cats will scream at that sound forever, trying to warn someone who is no longer there.